Dear students, in the previous class, we learned some homogeneous differential equations. So, what is the homogeneous differential equation? And what is the homogeneous function? If a function f is said to be homogeneous in x and y of degree n, if kx comma ky is equal to k to the power of n into f of x comma y, that is called as a homogeneous function of degree n. And what is a homogeneous differential equation? A differential equation is of the form dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y is said to be homogeneous if the function f is a homogeneous function of degree 0 in x and y. So, to solve the homogeneous differential equations, at first we should check whether it is homogeneous form or not. For that, in the given differential equation, the function dy by dx is equal to some function. In that function, each term should be the same degree in the numerator and denominator. Then that can be treated as a homogeneous function of degree 0. So, what is the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation? If it is confirmed as a homogeneous differential equation by observing the numerator and denominator degrees, if all the terms degrees of all the terms are equal, then we can say that there is a homogeneous differential equation. To solve the homogeneous differential equation, put y is equal to vx and differentiate with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of vx, that is dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Then you can substitute in the first equation by dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx and y is equal to vx. You can will get the form of which is convenient to separate the variables. So, by using the variable separable procedure, we can solve the given differential equation. So, that is the procedure to solve homogeneous differential equations. So, we'll end some problems. We'll discuss some more problems on these homogeneous differential equations. Solve y square minus xy plus x square dy by dx is equal to 0. So this is not in the form of variable separable method or exact differential equation or linear differential equation. So write what is y square is equal to xy plus x square into dy by dx. Then dy by dx can be written as y square by xy plus x square. Check whether it is homogeneous form or not. For that, you have one term in the numerator, in the denominator you can see two terms. Each term has what is the degree of each term, check once. So in the numerator the degree of first term is 2, and in the denominator the degree of the first term is also 2 and the second term is also 2. So the degrees of all the terms are equal in this function. So we can say that this is a homogeneous differential equation. Then we can proceed the procedure to solve the homogeneous differential equation, that is by putting y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now by substituting this value of dy by dx in terms of v and x in the first equation, what we will get, v plus x dv by dx is equal to y square means vx whole square, that is v square into x square, by xy means x into vx plus x square, that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to x square into v square by x square into v plus 1. So here x square get cancelled. Now v plus x dv by dx is equal to v square by v plus 1 then x dv by dx is equal to, by transforming this v to the right hand side, that becomes v square by v plus 1 minus v. So by taking LCM here, v plus 1 is the LCM, v square minus v into v plus 1, that is v square minus v. So x dv by dx is equal to, here plus v square and minus v square get cancelled, then we'll get minus v by v plus 1. So now we got the equation in v and x terms only. So by using the variable separable method, that means by separating the variables, integral v plus 1 by v dv is equal to integral minus dx by x. This v by v plus 1 becomes v plus 1 by v when it comes to left hand side, that is equal to minus dx by x. By integrating on both sides, v plus 1 by dv is equal to minus integral dx by x. Now dividing with v, v by v is 1 plus 1 by v, that is 1 plus 1 by v dv, integral 1 plus 1 by v dv is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx is minus log x plus the constant is log c. Integral 1 plus 1 by v dv, that is equal to minus integral 1 by x dx is log x minus log x plus log c. That can be written as integral 1 dv is v plus integral 1 by v dv is log v. This minus log x becomes plus log x when it comes to left hand side, that is equal to log c. This can be written as, what is v here? V is equal to y by x. V is equal to y by x. So by substituting v is equal to y by x plus log y by x plus log x is equal to log c. So here y by x plus log y by x plus log x. This is in the form of log a plus log b, which can be written as log of ab, log of y by x into x, that becomes log y. So y by x plus log y is equal to log c. Y by x plus log y is equal to log c. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. Now next problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus cosecant y by x. Here the given differential equation is in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of y by x. This is also a homogeneous function. In the definition of homogeneous function, a function f is said to be homogeneous of degree n if it can be put in the form of x to the power of n into some g of y by x, or y to the power of n into function of x by y. That is also called as a homogeneous function. Here we can see the function, the variable is in the form of y by x and cosecant y by x. The variable is in the form of y by x. So the dy by dx is equal to some function of y by x. It is also a homogeneous equation. For that, put y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now by substituting the second equation in the first equation, equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x means v plus cosecant y by x means v plus cosecant v. So here two v's are cancelled. Now both sides v are cancelled. Now x dv by dx is equal to cosecant v. Now this from this equation the variables can be separated. Now by separating the variables, we get all the v functions cosec v. 1 by cosec v dv is equal to integral dx by x. So after separating the variables, by integrating on both sides, integral 1 by cosec v dv, cosecant v dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx. That is 1 by cosecant v means sin v. Integral sin v dv is equal to integral log x plus c. That is, what is integral sin v dv? That is equal to minus cos v is equal to log x plus c. So log x plus cos v is equal to c. That is, log x plus cos v means cos of y by x is equal to c. So this is the solution for the differential equation. So here the given differential equation is in the form of function of y by x. Each term is in the form of y by x. Each term is in the form of y by x. So the variable is in the form of y by x. It is also a homogeneous equation. So for that, to solve the homogeneous equation, substitute y is equal to vx, then find dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Then the equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to v plus cosecant v, that is x dv by dx is equal to cosecant v. Now by separating the variables, we get 1 by cosec v dv is equal to dx by x, integral 1 by cosecant v dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx. Integral sin v dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx is log x plus c. So integral sin v is minus cos v, that is equal to log x plus c. So by this can be written as log x plus cos v is equal to c. Log x plus what is v here, y by x. Log x plus cos of y by x is equal to c. So this is the solution. Third problem. Solve y square plus 2xy dx plus 2xy plus x square dy is equal to 0. So in this differential equation, we cannot separate the variables, so that is not possible by using variable separable method, and this is not the linear differential equation. And check for exactness whether it is the exact differential equation or not. So this is in the form of m dx plus n dy is equal to 0. What is the derivative of m with respect to y? Dou m by dou y is equal to 2y plus 2x. So what is n here? 2xy plus x square. What is dou n by dou x? Dou n by dou x is 2y plus 2x. So these two are equal. So this can be solved by using exact differential method also, exact method also. For to check whether it is in homogeneous form, we can check like this: 2xy plus x square dy is equal to minus of y square plus 2xy dx. Dy by dx is equal to minus of y square plus 2xy plus x square. Now the function dy by dx is equal to some function of xy by g of xy. So check whether it is homogeneous or not. For that, check the degree of the each term. The degree of the first term is 2 and the second term is also 2, 1 plus 1, 2. In the denominator, the first term is, the degree of the first term is 2 and the second term is also 2. So we can say that this is a homogeneous differential equation. So for that, put y is equal to vx. dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. So by substituting the value of dy by dx in terms of dv by dx in the first equation, that becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus of what is y here, y is equal to vx, that is v square x square plus 2x into what is y, 2x into vx by 2x into y is vx plus x square. So that is v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus of x square into v square plus 2v by x square into 2v plus 1. X dv by dx is equal to minus of v square plus 2v by 2v plus 1 minus v. This plus v becomes minus v from here. So that is by taking LCM here, minus v square minus 2v minus 2v square minus v by 2v plus 1. Minus v into 2v plus 1, that is minus 2v square minus v. So x dv by dx is equal to here minus 3v square minus 3v by 2v plus 1. By taking minus 3 as common here, minus 3 into v square plus v by 2v plus 1. Now by separating the variables here, v square plus v by 2v plus 1 becomes here 2v plus 1 by v square plus v dv is equal to here x by dx becomes dx by x when it comes to the right hand side. So by integrating on both sides, integral 2v plus 1 by v square plus v dv is equal to minus 3 into integral dx by x. So here To integrate this function, check whether it is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x dx. So in the denominator we can see the function f square v square plus v. Then what is its derivative? That is 2v plus 1. D by dv of v square is 2v and d by dv of v is 1. So in the numerator we have that function 2v plus 1 by v square plus v is in the form of f integral f dash x by f of x dx, which is equal to log f of x. That is log v square plus v is equal to minus 3 into integral dx by x, that is minus 3 log x plus log c. When it comes to this term to the left hand side, that becomes log of v square plus v. We here substitute v is equal to y by x. V square means y square by x square plus y by x plus here 3 log x is equal to log c. Here 3 log x can be written as log x cube. This is in the form of n log x, that is log x to the power of n. So that is here log a plus log b can be written as log of a into b. By taking here LCM is x square, that becomes y square plus xy by x square into this log x cube, x into x cube. Log a plus log b is log of a into b is equal to log c. So that is log of y square plus xy into x, log of xy square plus x square y is equal to log c. That is xy square plus x square y is equal to c. So this is the solution. Once again see this problem. So we have given this problem like this. So write dy by dx is equal to f of xy sum g of x, that is minus of y square plus 2xy by 2xy plus x square. So by checking that this is a homogeneous differential equation, by checking of each term in the function, degree of each term in the function, then we can say that this is a homogeneous function. Or we can substitute in the function as x is equal to kx and y is equal to ky. If this can be written as k to the power of 0 into f of x comma y, then also we can say that is a homogeneous differential equation. So after confirming that that is a homogeneous differential equation, put y is equal to vx, the substitution. Then find dy by dx, that is equal to d by dx of vx, that is by using product rule, that becomes v plus x into dv by dx. Now substitute the value of dy by dx in terms of dv by dx in the first equation, that is dy by dx is equal to, in this equation by substituting that, it becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus of, put y is equal to vx here, this becomes v square x square plus 2x into vx divided by 2xy means 2x into vx plus x square. So this is minus of v square x square plus 2v into x square. Here we can take x square as common. By 2x into vx means 2vx square plus x square. In the denominator also we can take x square as common. So this becomes minus x square into v square plus 2v divided by, here also by taking x square as common, x square into 2v plus 1. So here v plus x dv by dx is equal to minus of v square plus 2v by 2v plus 1. Now we can write, this can be written as x dv by dx is equal to minus of v square plus 2v by 2v plus 1. By writing v in the right hand side, that becomes minus v. Now the LCM of these two terms is 2v plus 1. This can be written as minus of v square plus 2v can be written as minus v square minus 2v minus v into 2v plus 1, that is minus 2v square minus v by 2v plus 1. This can be written as minus v square minus 2v square, that is minus 3v square minus 2v minus v, that can be written as minus 3v. So in these two terms minus 3 is common, so by taking minus 3 as common, minus 3 into v square plus v by 2v plus 1. Now separating the variables, this can be written as, when the function of v comes to the left hand side, that becomes 2v plus 1 by v square plus v dv is equal to minus 3 into dx by dx. So after separating the variables by integrating on both sides, integral 2v plus 1 by v square plus v dv is equal to minus 3 into integral dx by x. So check whether it is in the form of f dash x by f of x dx of this integral. Yes, this is in the form of integral f dash x by f of x, which is equal to log f of x. So that is log v square plus v is equal to minus 3 integral dx by x is log x minus 3 log x plus take the constant is also in logarithmic terms, that is log c. Now write log of, put v is equal to y by x, v square becomes y square by x square plus y by x. Minus 3 log x can be written as plus 3 log x is equal to log c. Here 3 log x means log x cube. This is in the form of n log x, which can be written as log x to the power of n, that is equal to log x cube. Here this is in the form of log a plus log b, which is equal to log of a into b, that is log of a into b, y square plus xy plus x square into x cube, that can be written as y square plus xy into x is equal to log c. Log of x into y square xy square plus x into xy x square y is equal to log c, that is xy square plus x square y is equal to c. This is the solution for the given differential equation. This also can be solved by using exact differential equation method. That is also very simple. We can solve the same problem by using exact differential mode. Next problem. Solve dy by dx is equal to y by x plus tan y by x. So here dy by dx is equal to f of y by x form. This is in the form of dy by dx is equal to f of y by x. So this is a homogeneous differential equation because each variable in the form of y by x, each term is in the form of y by x. This is a homogeneous differential equation. So the substitute y is equal to vx, then dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. V plus x dv by dx is equal to y by x is v plus tan v. Now here v cancel, then x dv by dx is equal to v minus v plus tan v. X dv by dx is equal to tan v. Now by separating the variables, 1 by tan v dv is equal to dx by x. So after separating the variables, integrate by integration on both sides, integral cot v dv is equal to integral 1 by x dx. Integral cot x dx is equal to log sin x. So integral cot v dv is log sin v is equal to integral 1 by x dx is log x plus put the constant log c. So that is log sin y by x minus log x is equal to log c. Log x. So this is in the form of log a minus log b, which is equal to log of a by b sin y by x, that is equal to log c. By removing logarithm on both sides, we will get sin of y by x is equal to c, or this can be written as sin of y by x is equal to cx. This is the required solution for the given differential equation. Solve y square minus xy dx is equal to x square dy. Check whether it is in variable separable. Is it possible in variable separable method? So we cannot solve this in variable separable method. Is it in the form of exact differential equation? No, because what is m y square minus xy? What is dou m by dou y? That is 2y minus x. What is n here? N is equal to x square minus x square. And what is dou n by dou x? That is 2x. So these are not equal. So that is not possible by using exact differential equation. And is it possible in linear differential equation. This is not the linear differential equation form. So write dy by dx is equal to y square minus xy by x square. So now check whether it is in the form of homogeneous or not. For that we should check whether in each term, in the numerator and denominator, each term should be the same degree. This is 2 degree of 2 and this is also degree of 2, this is also degree of 2. So this is a homogeneous differential equation. Now substitute y is equal to vx, dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. Now the equation 1 becomes v plus x dv by dx is equal to v square x square minus x into vx by x square. By taking x square as common here, x square into uh, x square into v square minus v by x square. Here x square get cancelled. X dv by dx is equal to v square minus v, that is v square minus 2vx dv by dx is equal to. Now by separating the variables, integral 1 by v square minus 2v dv is equal to integral dx by x. So after separating the variables, we have to integrate on both sides. So that is integral, here 1 by v square minus 2v can be written as 1 by v into v minus 2 dv is equal to integral dx by x. To integrate this function, use partial fractions method, or we can write it as manually. To in the numerator we have 1. To get 1, we can write it as by using these two factors in the denominator, v minus 2 one factor minus v, then you are getting minus 2 extra. So to get 1 in the numerator, by dividing with minus 2, 1 by minus 2 dv is equal to integral dx by x is log x plus c. So minus 1 by 2 into, so this can be separated as two terms, it is v by v into v minus 2, that means 1 by v minus 2, 1 by v minus 2, and v minus 2 by v into v minus 2, that is one term, minus v by v into v minus 2 second term. The first term is v minus 2 by v into v minus 2, then v minus 2 get cancelled, 1 by v will be remain here, minus second term is minus v by v into v minus 2, that is minus 1 by v minus 2 dv. So we know that integral 1 by v dv is log v minus integral 1 by v minus 2 dv is log v minus 2 is equal to log x plus log x plus log c, the constant. This can be written as log cx minus 1 by 2 into, now substitute v is equal to what? V is equal to y by x, and log y by x minus log of v minus 2 means y by x minus 2. By substituting v is equal to y by x, minus 1 by 2 into log of y by x minus log of y by x minus 2 is equal to log cx, minus 1 by 2 into log y by x minus log of y minus 2x by x is equal to log cx, minus 1 by 2 into log of y by x into x by y minus 2x is equal to log cx, minus log of y by y minus 2x is equal to log cx. 2 log cx plus log of y by y minus 2x is equal to 0, that is log c x square is equal to minus log of y by y minus 2x. This can be written as log c x square is equal to log of y minus 2x by y, that is c x square is equal to y minus 2x by y, that is c x square y is equal to y minus 2x. So this is the solution for the given differential equation. So sum of the homogeneous differential equations can be solved by using exact method also. We can solve in that method also.